everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing another modification of this RC car. In this round I'm using a 4T mini megahertz distance transmitter and receiver. I actually got two, but the review, I did something like the modification is not going to be that long because I did a live stream this recently. I couldn't do this live stream of this one because of time and light situations as well, so just manage this as you see it.
Hello. How you doing? Not enjoying. I go Where is it? Somebody just coming out. My daughter just coming and say Mariah or something. My daughter. That's why. My daughter called me. This small girl, the last one, not my daughter. You know that's why? No, that's why for Lagos. That's why that is so I can protect. Which that's why I can tell you. I just tell me say that I just thought now. See me guys when and how. That's your energy. I don't know. I don't know.
So I have successfully opened it. So we just need for me to remove this body right here. All I need to do is I just need to adjust this knob here. Give it a little bit up. I've adjusted this. I need to adjust the back one as well. Shock absorber. The back. Then this right here to do the job. Right here is done. So you can see. Just remove the back plate. And now this is the forward and backward engine. Now this is the main circuit board, as you can see right here. So this is the main one that came with the motherboard itself, the RC car from Temu itself. So this board is pretty good in doing, I think, almost like 4 channels or 3 channels or 5 channels rather. This is how it looks. Hope you can see it clearly. That's how it looks like. So this right here is the battery. I'm going to add the new receiver to this battery, and that receiver is like 14 meter, unlike the first one that is 27 meter. It's still going to have a lot of distance. This is the left and right remote control knob for the what do you call it, for the left and right adjustment throttle. That is the motor for it. Right, let's go inside it itself. This is the formal board. Nothing much here to see because I can't actually remove it because I'm actually using this board for the light itself, because that's the light connection that goes straight to the light of the board. So anytime I power on this power button from the receiver itself, from the RC body itself, it actually turns on only the lights and it does not affect the body of the RC. What I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to, like, if I want to make this happen, I'm going to actually power the RC exactly from when you power it on. When you click on the power button on the RC car itself, it also emits the whole body to perform. Unlike before when I was using it, that I only actually made use of only the lights. So anytime I turn on the RC car, the lights only performs, whereas no power for the main remote control receiver and sorry, left and right power surge gears as well, motors. That's what I'm trying to do now. So as you can see, I have successfully added all the series of the RC receiver to the board itself, and they perform very well. I'm going to give you a sample. This is the front and back door. I've connected it to the new receiver. As you can see, there's the quickly wiring going straight into the, and this is the battery. So I actually connected this battery in a way that once I power on the switch, all the remotes and all the rotor actually moves in sync with the light as well. So it's not only the light that works on when the power is on, everything turns on together. So that's one of the fixes I did than the last live stream on the last DIY of this RC device. So as you can see, even this receiver is actually bigger than the previous one. It also has two capacitors, 10 volts, 420, 470 UF. Like I showed you before. That's it right there. So actually it's actually connected now. I've done the soldering of the transmitter as well. This is the new transmitter, 40M. It shows there in this place. I will show you the new in the picture. 40 meter. It also does very well as well. It's pretty good. Running in hard time focusing. And I think it's a little bit better like this. So this is the transmitter and this is the receiver rather. Right here. This is the front and back motor in this place that gives the power and the boost, the thrust in the car. This is the main board itself, and this is the former motherboard that I did the connection of the battery itself. Where I did the connection of the battery, somewhat similar to the last one, but I did it in a way that all the power can turn. So once I turn on the power switch here, the lights on, and if I turn off the power switch, all the power in the car gets shut off completely. Nothing is powered on again. Unlike the previous one, that when I turn off the power, only the lights turns off, and the power on the remote of the motor and the front and back motors are still powered on. So that's one of the things I do that. So all those need for me to just package it and let's send it in the first test. As you can see, this is going to be the front and back. Look at it. The power actually works. I've done that test right now, so it's connected to the main board itself. And this for the left and right here. I said that I have to power everything on so I can see the left and right. Can you see? So once I power everything and cover it up, it will work perfectly. So I have successfully done the modification, and it is all complete. Here you can see the RC car itself in its full glory. This is the receiver and transmitter that is connected now. This is the receiver I'm using now presently. Hope it focuses. So that's actually it. This is the remote control, forward, backward. I think I'm having some kind of thickness in this actual front and back. motor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply some grease later in the video, because that front and back isn't actually moving well. If you look at this, front and back is a little bit stiff. We have all the rigorous. I've left it in the wardrobe for a long time. That's why it's making it be like this. But the front and back is seamless. That's what I mean. When I power it off like this, nothing works. Everything is stopped. So that's that for the RC modification. Like I said before, this is the remote control receiver. Your thoughts on this in the comment section. This is the former receiver. Look at how rubbish this is. This is only 27 liter, and look at how it is. It doesn't even have a capacitor. This capacitor was the one I just added into it. Can you just see? I just added this capacitor into it that time I'm doing my modifications. So this is just like a kind of fake board in my own opinion. That's why somehow it's damaged. It didn't even meet up my expectations. It's kind of shitty board itself. That ways, now you have the RC now in full glory. Thanks for watching, like, comment and subscribe.